everyone. It's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on our Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family and our very cool special guest this week, one of my favourite artists. She just radiates positivity. It is Let's Pour with Pattie. Love you, girls. So glad you've joined us again this week. I'm super excited. Woohoo! So this week I'm just going to have some fun with some blooms, some loaded palette knife fun, and let's just have an adventure. See where it takes us. We're going to kick on some tunes and let's do it.
So nonchalant in the way that you love me, indifferent to the ways that you wound me. I know the love is real, despite what my heart can't feel. They say stand up for the things you can't stand to lose. I want you to fight for me. I want you to fight for me. A spectator watching us bleed out inside. Mindless surrender, no shame and no pride. I know the love is real, despite what my heart can't feel. They say stand up for the things you can't stand to lose. I want you to fight for me. I want you to fight for me. Shake, shake, shake me awake. Rip me from slumber and fight for me, fight for me. Ache, ache, ache for me, babe. Shout from the depths, beg me to stay. Shake, shake, shake me awake. Rip me from slumber and fight for me, fight for me. Ache, ache, ache for me, babe. Shout from the depths that you want me to stay. Fight for me, fight for me, fight. I want you to fight for me. I want you to fight for me. I want you to fight for me. Shake me away, rip me from slumber and fight for me. I want you to fight for me. For me, babe. Shout from the depths that you want me to stay. I know the love is real, despite what my heart can't feel. They say stand up for the things you can't stand to lose. Take me down to the river where the peace won't run dry. Gather round at the river where my soul comes to life and I come alive. Freedom, freedom, freedom for my body, soul and mind. Freedom, freedom, here at the river
find my way out, trying to find my way out. My heart, it wanders through the night, searching for the starlight, searching for the starlight. Will I find my way back home? Will I find my way back home? I'm moving through the shadows. I'm moving through the shadows. I'm following the light home. I know I'll see tomorrow. I'm moving through the shadows. The future's right in front of me. I'm never gonna let go. I'm never gonna let go. I'm moving through the shadows. I'm moving through the shadows. I'm following the light home. I know I'll see tomorrow. I'm moving through the rising from the dark, following my heart, calling out for air. This is just a start, start. Rising from the dark, following my heart, calling out for air. This is just a start. This is just a start. I'm moving through the shadows. I'm moving through the shadows. I'm following the light home. I know I'll see tomorrow. I'm moving through the shadows. Moving through the shadows. I'm moving through the
Alrighty then, there we go, at the end. I think that's pretty cool actually. Had a bit of fun with that one. I just love getting out the skewer and having some fun, just rocks my world. Alrighty, so we'll just have a quick look at that close up. Love that center, that's pretty cool. And I really like, there's these two colours, so the Interference Red mixed with Wine by Harry and Wilma gives you this really cool effects when you do loaded palette knife swipes with them. So if you're in Australia, give that a crack, Harry and Wilma. Very, very cool colours together. And that is it for me this week, guys. So I hope you enjoyed. Bit of fun as always. And next up after me, we have the amazing dynamic duo of Tony and Kat Pender from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So let's all rock on over there and see what cool adventure they have for us today. And that is it. So, until next time, take care, stay safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Have fun, get messy. Thanks for watching.